I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes.
Now, physics and music are mutually exclusive, you know. But once you're dealing with the sound of music, you go in and dwell into the collision of bare molecules.
So you're unshakeable, lecturing on...
I also got into an area, this is
rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So, when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of wave phenomena.
You know, I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with and this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that